In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your Mailchimp email. This can really help you personalize your email campaigns to better reflect your brand's identity, making your communications more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive right in and go through the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp login page by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. If you already have your credentials handy, simply type in your email address and password, then give that login button a click and you'll be taken right into your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're logged into Mailchimp, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now let's get started on creating an email template where we can add our custom fonts. Look for the Create Email button and click on it. This directs you to the Email Template section, where you can choose the style of email you want to create. Whether you prefer a clean, minimalist look or something a bit more vibrant, select the template that best suits your needs. After choosing your template, it's time to customize the text style. At this point, you should see options to change your text font in the editor. Click on the section where you want to change the font. This action will bring up a toolbar with different styling options, including font selection. You might notice the usual suspects there, like Arial or Helvetica, but to make your email stand out, let's choose something a bit different. Suppose you initially fancy the playful feel of Comic Sans. You can click on it and see how it changes the entire vibe of your email. But maybe you're leaning towards something a bit more professional, like Tahoma. Simply click on Tahoma to apply it to your selected text, but remember, you're not limited to these choices. Suppose you want more traditional elegance like Times New Roman. You can select it from the list and instantly see the updated look. Keep in mind, consistent font styling across your email can help maintain a cohesive look and feel. Experiment with different fonts, and don't be afraid to mix it up a bit as long as it stays on brand. Once you've settled on a font that truly feels like your brand's voice, make sure you save your changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to add custom fonts to your Mailchimp email, enhancing your brand image and helping your content to better connect with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Enjoy experimenting with different fonts and styles to